1992 was when I wrote this song. 1991 pala. Sorry, it's age. It's age. And till today, this song is somehow, not me. He chose me to do this song, to write this song in 1991. But till today, it somehow is giving people the reason to shout for joy. You see? Now, is this how we are going to be when we